Say hello. You want to say hello to Mr. Winky? Hello, Mr. Winky. Hello, Winky. Here, Mr. Winky. Mr. Winky, Pedro. Look, he's just so cute. Mr. Winky, so cute, Pedro, look. No, Mr. Winky, Pedro. Don't you like Mr. Winky, Pedro? Say hello to Mr. Winky. Look, he's so cute. Look, Mr. Winky and Pedro. Look, say hello. What is that? Pedro's complaining. You're complaining, aren't you? Yes. Why? I'm not torturing you. Hoi, come here. Come here. Are you a cute boy? Hmm? Oh, you like kisses again. Hmm? What, Mr. Winky? He's so cute. He's so cute, Pedro, look. Hey, Pedro, look. He's so cute. Say hello. Hello, Mr. Winky. Come on, bite him. There, peck him. Peck. Hello, Mr. Winky. Mr. Winky, hello. You're scared of Mr. Winky. You shouldn't be scared of Mr. Winky. He's just a little Winky. Look, there's a cute little Mr. Winky. Hello, Mr. Winky. Mr. Winky. Hey, look what I got. Come on. Pedro, I got Mr. Winky. I got Mr. Winky, Pedro, look. Mr. Winky. Hello, Mr. Winky. Look. Okay. I gather you don't like Mr. Winky. Hey?
It's here, baby. Hello. Hello.
Look, Mr. Wink is playing with your bells. Hey? You're gonna play with your bells? He's gonna play with your bells, Pedro. Hmm? Mr. Wink is playing with your bells. Is that all right? Is that okay, Pedro? Oh, you're sleepy again. All you do is eat and sleep, aren't you? And poop. Lots and lots of poopy. Lots and lots of poopy you do. Kiss, kiss. Okay. You're such a cute little birdie. You're such a cute little birdie, aren't you?